we're going to 3D scan this thing. Just give us a rundown, what's going on, how it all works.
Yeah, so we've just got some markers out to 3D scan the car and the other body. So the tracker will follow the markers around, the handpiece is followed by the tracker, and that'll capture all the data of the car. We'll be able to overlay the two cars and see where things need to be cut and shaped and modified. So this is your tracker, so that is dynamic, so that will literally move around the car. That will then, the markers will tell it where it is, where it isn't.
And in old school terms, the markers effectively become a datum, like it's a three-dimensional in-space datum.
Yep, because the car's in space, it doesn't know where it's at. So these actually capture within reference to each other, and then that way, then when you bring it into a computer, then you can start aligning things to, you know, a coordinate system which gives you front and back.
This is going to move us ahead pretty quick, bringing the two cars together, and
100%. This will be next level for how you can actually see the two overlay and where you need to cut things and shape things. Yeah.
Awesome.
Definitely.
All right.